Hello folks, and Happy New Year, and also Happy New Decade. Well, as many of you know, I lost all my models, my home, and all my vehicles in that devastating fire on 9/11/2016. Well, many of you graciously donated to the GoFundMe page that was set up, and also donated models to keep me from getting depressed. Well, it worked, and we're managing much better these days thanks to all of you. But of course, many of those models were just unable to be replaced, and they were keepsakes. When the fire began, I actually was uploading a video of my Byron Pitts S1. I had just finished restoring it and had flown it just once. Many of you actually saw that video. Well, a longtime subscriber who I never met called me a couple of days ago, and he said he had a couple of items he wanted to gift to me. The first thing was a brand new in the box Craft Alec Ryder. I couldn't believe it. That was the first of its kind, and I actually designed the crash bars for it and helped promote it when I was working for Craft RC Systems in the 70s. I actually still have the owner's manual as shown here, which was in a case in the basement and didn't get burned. To get a brand new one is just going to be an absolute real treat. But that wasn't the only gift that Mike had from Indiana for me. He's given me a brand new in the box Byron Pitts S1 kit. Are you kidding me? I said. I mean, this is unbelievable, especially that anyone actually had one at all. So Mike's going to bring that to me in the first week of February, and I'm going to introduce you properly to him. Well, this Craft Signature Series radio that I'm showing you now is the original transmitter that I had personally built when I worked at Craft, and also was saved from the fire because it was one of the few items I kept in my house basement on a shelf. It was not burned nor water damaged. I'm not going to use it for this Pitts though, but I thought I would show it to you. My original Pitts was really a keepsake because I flew it on NBC TV while being interviewed by Kelly Lang and the famous Pat Sajak at the first Toys for Tots air show at the Blimp Station in Southern California for the Marines. It was really a favorite plane of mine, and I'm blown away to get to build another. My first Pitts had a Byro drive. That was a belt reduction unit powered by a Rossi 61 on a tuned pipe. It sounded and flew great for many years. Many folks decided to put gas engines in these airplanes, but the problem was if you had any kind of internal gas leak, the foam would instantly destroy itself, eat itself up, and there's nothing you could do. It spins at 21,000 RPM and it turns the 20 by 8 inch prop at a 3-to-1 rate. Well, Mike tells me he doesn't have the Byro drive, and I have looked and looked, but I can't find one anywhere online. So I still want to keep it a nitro engine if I can find a Byro drive for it. If not, I'm going to try to convert it to electric like I did with my Byron F16. So my question is for all of you, if any of you know where I can get a good Byro drive, I would really appreciate it. I'm going to document the build, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks very kindly. This is the Night Flyer, signing off for now.